Okay, and action. Just very quick, some applications of linear systems. If you hear the word applications, what should that make you think in a math class? What's coming up?
Of my phone.
Examples. iPhone. Solve linear systems? We have an app for that.
I'm sure they do.
They probably do somewhere. But, you know, it's right. I'm a little, actually, yeah, you guys are 21st century and I'm stuck in the 20th. Whenever you hear about applying what you're learning in math, you're getting what sort of problem is in your future?
A math problem.
A math problem. It's word problems, okay? That's what we're doing, word problems. So, I'm going to give you a couple of these, couple of examples. First one, I'm going to go way back to the late 20th century now for this example. Okay? So, step into a time machine with me. It's 1980, let's go a little past that. It's 1985, and you want to rent VHS tapes, the cutting edge of home viewing technology.
Do you have to write that?
No.
Do you have to write any of that?
Yes.
Why is it
You have to write it's 1985 and you want to rent VHS tapes. Okay? Because this is a business model that really doesn't exist anymore, and what's left of it is not going to exist much in the future, I think. I think we're going to get everything downloaded. Well, I think your generation will live to see everything downloaded with telepathic chips installed in your actual brain. But, okay, good to know. But this is 1985, you want to rent VHS tapes. And a lot of people opened up their own little stores, yeah, little mom and pop stores before Blockbuster came and took over them all. I myself worked at a place called Errol's Video Club.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Were you like the
You
rewind,
look like a
rewind
video
person?
Yeah, some days.
Like where they had to like sit there and rewind all the tapes?
Yeah, we did that sometimes. Also, you had to know your alphabet, so it was a rough job. It's 1985, you want to rent VHS tapes, okay? One store charges a $20 annual membership fee, and then $2 per movie each night. Okay, so it's $20 to walk in. $20 just to walk in the door before you even rented anything.
That's expensive.
Then $2 a movie each night.
That's annual.
What's Blockbuster now?
It's expensive. It's like
$4 for a DVD.
I think it's Blockbuster's out of business.
$8.
It's going out of business. There's still a couple. Okay.
Isn't there Office Box too, or something like that?
I don't know.
Box Office.
now like that.
Box office. Okay. Now it's all Netflix and
I love Netflix.
and you can watch Netflix. I've got my computer actually has an HDMI out that goes into my plasma TV, and I can watch Netflix's free streaming whenever I want. They don't have everything on it, but some of Netflix's movies you can just watch off the computer on your TV.
Wait,
Wait,
is
is
it
it
true that you
HD?
can watch some movies online, like if you rent them?
Yes.
Like
The
you buy the
illegal Asian
application
websites have everything.
Yeah, and they've got
I'm
almost
watching
everything.
Ratatouille.
Yep. Okay, then $2 per movie each night. Another place. I know you'll be telling your kids won't believe that you actually went somewhere and rented
Well, your
DVDs.
computer's in HDMI out.
Yeah.
Ow.
It's a very nice card, video card.
That's very nice.
My laptop has it too. Okay, another store charges no membership fee.
Ooh.
What do you mean by membership fee?
Costs you $20 to walk in. You have to join it like a club and be a member. That was how Errol's worked.
$20 a year.
A year. Another store charges no membership fee, but
So you're talking for free and pay for DVDs?
charges $3 a night. This is going back to VHS, huh?
Sorry.
Okay, so you got two stores. One store charges a $20 annual fee, and then $2 a movie each night. Another store charges no membership fee, but charges $3 a night. Okay? One Write the equations for each store. And by equations, I mean cost per movie. Okay? 2, I'm going to leave this, actually wait, I got to put another step. 2 is graph the equations on the same plane.
How expensive? $3 each night?
3,
No.
it's not like we had broadband internet access and
But it's
DVDs
so
to come up with
expensive.
also. And 3 is which store
Where is illegal?
do you
Just
choose
use it anyway, though.
Crap.
and why?
Move his big head then.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. So 1985, you want to rent VHS tapes, the cutting edge of home viewing technology. One store charges $20 annual membership fee and then $2 per movie each night. Another store charges no membership fee but charges $3 a night. That's per movie. Yes.
You can continue before I ask.
I'm sorry?
You can continue reading if you want.
Okay, thank you. Did you raise your hand just to give me permission to read my own problem?
No, when you're done.
Okay. 1, write the equation for each store. And by equation, I mean the cost per movie rented. 2, graph the equations. 3, which store do you choose and why? Amanda, your question.
Okay. Why don't you do all that? And wouldn't you just be like, okay, well, there's no, other fees, so let's just choose the second one.
Hold that thought. Let's find out. Let's check the graph. Okay, when I graph this now, so Rodney, you have to follow me over to board number 2. When I graph this, how many quadrants do I need to graph?
4, 2, 1.
Blast off, hike, where are you going with this?
Oh,
How many quadrants do I need to graph and why?
I hate this trap
Oh,
line.
1.
Sarah says 1, Brian says 1, Mimi says 1. The answer is 1 quadrant because I'm not going to deal with what negative money or negative movie rentals could possibly mean. Here's my cost up here.
Wait, do you have to write the equation first?
Here's my movies. That's correct, I am skipping a step.
You can get the equation from graphing, can't you?
Yeah, graphing it can help me get the equation. So I'm going a little out of order.
Reverse your directions.
I am going a little, you're allowed to go a little out of order with the directions. That's why you should read all the directions first. Okay, now, we're at 1 movie, 2 movie, 3 movie, 4 movie, 5 movie, 6 movie, 7
Wait,
movie.
so are you not
8
going
movie,
over the
10.
homework at all?
Pardon?
You're not going over the homework?
I'll take some questions after this. I wanted to get this through. Okay, now, cost. Okay, I'm going to go $10, $20, $30,
40, 50, 60, 70.
40, 50, 60, 70. That ought to cover it. I hope I don't have to change the scale. Okay, let's look at the first store. Let's do that in green. Okay? You walk through the door and you have rented 0 movies. How much have you spent at the first store? $20. Okay? After you walk in and spend your $20, you rent 5 movies. Okay? How much extra do those 5 movies cost? $10. So what have you spent total? When you walk into store number 1, you have spent a total of how much, Amanda? 30 by the time you've rented 5 movies. Okay? Nimi, what's your question?
Do you have a ruler?
I might.
Wait, how'd you get 5 though?
I just randomly said after you've rented 5 movies.
Oh, so you could say like 3 feet.
But it says...
Okay. You could say 3 feet longer,
Shut
right?
up. Yes.
Ah.
I also knew that 5 would
But
line
so
up
you
nicely
are
with
you
30.
just picking random numbers then?
Yeah. I mean, I'm going to rent. I spent $20. I'm
Why
going to
is
rent.
the 5 up there?
Okay, because when I walk in, this is total cost. Okay? So when I walk into store number 1, I've paid $20 just by walking in. By the time I rent 5 movies, I've spent this 20 plus 10 more dollars.
Yeah, why does it go up there?
Well, because at 0 movies, I've spent 20. At 5 movies, I have spent this